Hi, I'm Neely, and I want to introduce you to GoDaddy Pro. The GoDaddy Pro program is for web designers and developers who build or maintain websites for their clients. We know that most of you use WordPress, and making sure you keep your client sites updated and backed up takes a lot of time. GoDaddy Pro is a free set of tools that brings all the websites you manage into one unified dashboard. You can monitor all your sites and clients and run WordPress updates without leaving the dashboard. Let me show you how it works. This is the site screen in the GoDaddy Pro dashboard. Here you can see all your WordPress sites in one place. This allows you to bulk update all your WordPress sites at once, even those not hosted by GoDaddy. This is a huge time saver since you don't have to log into each site separately. You can keep your sites organized and grouped together with the tag feature. For example, you can use tags to identify which sites are hosted where, or even what kind of maintenance plan they're on. Clicking on a site name takes you to a new page where you can see any updates required for that specific site, as well as things like analytics and comments. Let's look at the client screen. This is where you can see all of your clients. Selecting a client's name shows you all their GoDaddy products, and it allows you to shop for new products on their behalf and track their costs. You become a GoDaddy Pro member just by signing up, and when you do, you can add the GoDaddy Pro badge to your website, your social media, and your email signatures. GoDaddy Pro is here to help you run and grow your business. If you're not already a member, you can sign up for free right now. I'm Neely. Thanks for watching.